Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a two-dimensional world? Imagine being a Flatlander, where everything is just length and width, no up, no down, just flat. Let's dive into the wild world of dimensions and see how a 2D being would navigate their universe differently from us 3D folks. First off, a Flatlander can't perceive above or below. Picture this. If you lift a 2D object out of Flatland, it would just vanish from their world. Poof! Gone without a trace. They can't move into the third dimension any more than we can just pop into the fourth. Now let's talk about path constraints. If our little Flatlander hits a wall, they have to go around it. No shortcuts. But for us 3D beings, it's a piece of cake to just step over it. Imagine the frustration Flatlanders must feel. But it gets even weirder with vision. A Flatlander sees everything as cross-sections. If a 3D sphere entered their world, they'd see it as a point, then a circle that grows and shrinks before disappearing. They can't grasp the whole 3D object at once. Kinda like how we can't see all sides of a cube simultaneously. Now, here's where it gets mind-bending. What if we're Flatlanders in a 4D world? Think about it. Just like a 3D being can step over a 2D wall, a 4D being could step over events in time. They might experience all moments at once or move backward in time like we move backward in space. Mind blown. And those shortcuts through space? A 4D being could manipulate distances we consider fixed. Just as we can reach inside a closed 2D shape, a 4D being could reach inside a closed 3D space without needing an opening. What? But wait, there's more. A 4D being might see all sides of a 3D object at once. Heck, they might see all states of a 3D object over time at once. Imagine seeing your whole life in one glance. Trippy, right? Now let's tie it to our reality. Special relativity tells us that time and space bend with velocity and gravity. What if that's just our limited 3D perception of a deeper 4D structure? A 2D being might think their space is fixed, but we know better. Similarly, we assume time and distance are rigid, but a 4D being might see them as coordinates that can be adjusted. Maybe time dilation and length contraction are hints that we're navigating a higher dimensional structure without realizing it. If we're 3D beings in a 4D world, these phenomena might just be artifacts of our limited perception. Whoa. So next time you ponder the mysteries of the universe, remember, our intuition might just be leading us straight into the realm of higher dimensional physics. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science. See ya.